For WKNO News in Memphis, I'm Christopher Blank. Not everything on Governor Bill Lee's wish list made it into the state budget this year, but lawmakers did sign off on his plan to invest in access to health care for rural Tennesseans. It puts about $200 million into that system for the next 5 years. WPLN's Catherine Sweeney reports that might have been an easier sell, given that it's not state taxpayer money.
Every state is struggling to maintain its rural health workforce. Lee's solution includes creating more apprenticeships, skills training, and other programs to keep workers in these small towns. It will also go to expanding telehealth and specialty care. That money comes from this unique agreement Tennessee has with the federal government. Basically, the feds put a cap on how much the state can spend on TennCare, which is the state's health coverage program for low-income people. If the state stays under budget, they get to keep half the leftovers. So far, Tennessee has gotten to hold on to about $600 million. Supporters, like Lee, say this rewards Tennessee for keeping costs down and managing TennCare well. They also note that under this program, more of that money stays in Tennessee instead of going back into the federal pot. Critics say the program incentivizes cutbacks that could harm members. For example, refusing to cover more expensive medications or making it easier for people to lose eligibility. Catherine Sweeney, WPLN News.
Shelby County Clerk Wanda Halbert is seeking more than $2 million for new technology and pay raises for some of her office's employees. Bill Dries of the Daily Memphian says the items to be voted on Monday by the Shelby County Board of Commissioners address some of the office's shortcomings as cited in a Tennessee Comptroller's Office report that followed an audit review.
Commissioner Erica Sugarman sponsored both items in Wednesday committee sessions. Both required a suspension of commission rules because neither had been reviewed by the County Finance Division or the County Attorney's Office. One is for $1.8 million of new tech equipment for the clerk's office. The other is for $628,000 to give pay raises and reclassify some positions. Of the two, the pay raises are the more controversial because the pay raises would come near the end of the current fiscal year. The raises also surfaced the same day that County Mayor Lee Harris proposed a county budget that includes a 6% pay raise for nearly all county employees, full-time and part-time. For the Daily Memphian, I'm Bill Dries.
This is 91.1. More news at WKNOFM.org and on the WKNO app.